The moment we've been waiting for on CatSlap is here. We're getting that green line. Guys, a bottom seems to be forming on the recent downtrend. We're getting ready to gear up, and we finally have a little green candle. Now, this little green candle obviously could turn into a big green candle. We might see more downward pressure tomorrow if Bitcoin decides to fall off a cliff. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but this right now, we know what is happening. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, but we know what's happening right now. A bottom is forming and creating a perfect buy opportunity. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got CatSlap on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you do find yourself interested in buying, you can either do so directly out on Uniswap, or you can go to their website. Now, on their website, they have a widget where you're able to go in and buy CatSlap tokens, but you can also stake your CatSlap tokens, and this is one of the major benefits of buying from their website. The link in the description takes you out of their website, and therefore you can either click and buy directly on Uniswap from there or buy on their website. But check this out, 40% annualized income. 40% annualized income already happening for 616 million SLAP tokens, and you can see everything that they're building out there. So the CatSlap community is growing every single day. It's centered around this slap to earn or click to earn game, and you can see 1.392 billion clicks have already taken place, and these guys are competing for a lot of money. If you come out to their X account, you can see the CatSlap offering $100,000 for the top 10 slappers. On top of that, 2 days ago, they burned $1 million. And yeah, it actually went through. You can see the Etherscan transaction right here. If you want to see the Etherscan transaction, 320 million slap sent to the burn address. Absolutely incredible. And crazy to think that a $1 million burn on a $14 million market cap didn't create some sort of a FOMO spike. That, to me, indicates that people are sleeping. Guys, if they continue to burn, which they have the funds to do so, if they continue to burn millions of dollars worth of CatSlap, you're going to watch a new bottom form, and this is the lowest that it's going to be able to go. And already seeing this green line on the screen today indicates to me that the downward pressure of the last couple of weeks may finally be over. The buy opportunity that everybody has been looking for at this beautiful horizontal level of support is kicking in. And if this happens, look how quickly CatSlap tripled in value last time. It ran from a $14 million market cap to a $40 million market cap in just 2 days. And if it does that again, you can triple your money in a 2-day period, or maybe even less if we get a recovery in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's trying its best to bounce back at the moment, and you can see that here. If you click on this, this is the BitUnix exchange. I want to show you this in a second here. But Bitcoin finally trying to bounce back today. A bottom may be in, and if that's the case, I expect it to translate beautifully into some of these other tokens. Now, one of the reasons, or a couple of the reasons I should say, I'm going to go over more than one. A couple of the reasons I really like CatSlap. Obviously, it's a viral meme. You've got that perfect meme status there. They do have that slap to earn game, and they've got a huge fund where season 1 is a $100,000 prize. On top of that, $1 million in burns. But check this out, 20,000 holders right now, growing by about 100 holders per day. And you want to see a project growing its holders as opposed to losing holders. Now, the price action over the last couple of weeks has taken a few hits as some major whales and some early buyers sold off. But every time they did, they were replaced by hundreds of new buyers, stabilizing the price and diversifying the holdings. As you can see, a lot of these whales are gone now. Prior, there was a lot of people holding, 0.5%, 0.25%, and so on. There's a few major whales, and a lot of the major whales are MEXC, right? MEXC Exchange owns a lot of these tokens right here. CatSlap Liquidity owns a lot of the tokens, and we know that that's being used for burns and in-game rewards and so on. But as you scroll down, you start to see that, wow, man, the first page goes all the way down to 1/20th of a percent. This is much more diversified and decentralized than a lot of the major memes you see out there, like Bonk, Whiff, Mog, and so on, where the top for the first page owns 0.25% instead of 1/20%. A huge difference in a much more decentralized meme than you see in some of those big names, which allows for more growth and more stable growth, because you're not gonna have guys tempted to sell off when they're sitting on $1 million after a 200% rally. Now, with that being said, look at the potential. $14 million market cap right now. A 10x increase just takes it to a $140 million market cap. A 100x increase takes it to just a $1.4 billion market cap. Now, if you don't think that those levels are doable during a bull market, I don't think you've lived through a bull market before. $14 million is minuscule. That is a tiny amount with huge potential. And one of the things that I like the most that you may not know, the same marketing team behind CatSlap is behind Wall Street Pepe. And Wall Street Pepe has been doing $2 million a day in net inflows. At its best, when Bitcoin was rising and hitting all-time highs, it was doing up to $8 million a day in inflows. Guys, let's just put it in perspective. If CatSlap sees anywhere near that, a $2 million inflow is going to double the price. A $3 million inflow triples the price. It is crazy to think, wow, I could be getting in at the absolute bottom of this dip on a tiny little $14 million meme coin that checks off all of the boxes to go viral and hit 100x gains in this upcoming bull market. I'm in. I'm a CatSlap whale, guys. I am ready to ride this one to retirement. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.